Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable fast boot on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. And this is actually really easy to do. So we need to get into the BIOS menu. And if you know how to do that, you can just restart your computer and then hit the F keys at the appropriate time, like F8 or F9 or something like that. So you might see that screen pop up, but you can also do this just by going into your computer settings. So let's type in my password right now and then go in. And we don't need to restart a computer and guess which F key is. So we can just go to Start, go to Settings, and then let's go on down to Windows Update. And then go to Advanced Options. Scroll on down to where it says Recovery. Go to Advanced Startup. Go to Restart Now. Go to Restart Now. And it says please wait. Might say please wait for a while, like 15-20 seconds. Mine went to this right away. Let's go to Troubleshoot. UEFI firmware settings. Go to Restart. So we're going to enable fast boot in the BIOS menu, and now let's go ahead and go do black, and then it should load up. Alright, so my screen is restarting, and here's BIOS. Use the arrow keys on the right side of the keyboard just to move around. Your mouse probably won't work just to click on things. And we are looking for fast boot. So let's go to boot, and here's fast boot. So this is already enabled on my laptop, so it might not be for yours. Just go to it, press enter, go up or down, press enter, then go on over to save and exit, and save it. Save, yep, you can save it and restart your computer, and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.